Myself is Dr. Kausaranisa, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, KGF. Today I am going to inform about labor remuneration, how the remuneration in the organizations they are going to be paid to the laborers on what basis. So before going to know the methods of labor remuneration, well, let us know what do you mean by the labor cost. Labor cost is nothing, it is nothing but it is one of the important position of the total cost. It is representing the worker contribution to the production, and also it is considered one of the major portion of the cost. So labor cost according to CAS 7, it is an employee cost, and it is nothing but the aggregate of all kinds of consideration paid, payable and provision made for the future payments for the services rendered by the employees of an enterprise. So it also considers the includes wages, salaries, contractual payments, and any payment made on behalf of the employees. So the labor cost, there are two types. One is the direct labor cost, another one is the indirect labor cost. So what are the methods of wage payments or the labor remunerations? They are given in, they are going to give to the different labors. So one will be calculated on the basis of time rate system, the second is piece rate system, third one will be the Halsey plan and the Rowan plan. So what is this time rate system? On this is nothing but the one of the oldest wage payment system. Under this method, the wages are paid to the employees on the basis of hours worked or time spent on a particular day. This system does not consider the total output. So here, therefore, the wages are fixed on hourly basis. The time rate system, the formula is wages is nothing but, or the total remuneration is nothing but number of hours worked into rate per hour. And the next one is the piece rate system. Under this method, the wages are paid to the employees on the basis of number of pieces or units produced. This system does not consider the time taken by an employee. Therefore, the wages are paid on the number of units produced. The formula for the piece rate system, that is nothing but the wages, all the total remuneration is nothing but number of units produced into rate per unit. And the third one are the Halsey and Rowan plan. These are the incentive plans. So on the basis of what is this Halsey plan means, it is an incentive plan where the standard time is fixed for doing a job, and a worker is not only paid the normal wage, he is also paid a bonus of 50% of the time saved. So the formula for the Halsey plan is time taken into rate per hour plus 50% of the time saved, that is the standard time minus time taken into rate per hour. And for the Rowan plan, it is also one of the incentive plan. It is similar to the Halsey plan, except in the case of bonus calculation. In this plan, bonus is that portion of the wage of the time taken, which is the time saved based to the standard time. The Rowan plan, the formula is T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. T stands for time taken, R means rate per hour, and S equals standard time. So here also the bonus rate, if the in the question if the bonus rate is not given, so we can able to consider 50%, or in the question if they have given 40% or 60% can be considered. Let us will see, this is the problem, how to calculate the how to calculate under time rate Halsey and Rowan plan. Here the worker is paid rupees 2 per hour for completing a job within 8 hours. If he completes the work within 6 hours, what is his wage under time rate Halsey plan and Rowan plan? So in the question, the given information, the time taken to complete the work is 6 hours, the standard time given by the employer is 8 hours, and for the rate per hour is rupees 2. According to time rate system, the total earning or the wages is nothing but the number of hours worked into rate per hour. So the number of hours worked by an employee is 6 hours into rate per hour is 2. Therefore, the total earnings is 12 rupees. Then according to Halsey plan, so what are the total earnings earned by the worker? That is T into R plus half is nothing but the time saved by the employee, that is 50% of the time saved, it is half into S minus T into R. Either we can write 50% or it is nothing but half. So the time taken is 6 hours into rate per hour is 2 plus 1 by 2 into standard time is 8 minus 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12 plus half of 8 minus 6 is 2 into 2. So 12 plus 2, 1 by 2 into 2 is nothing but 2 by 2 into 2. So we'll get 12 plus 2 and 2, the numerator and denominator get cancelled, we'll get 1, 1 into 2 is 2. So the total earnings is 14 rupees according to the Halsey plan. And according to the Rowan plan, the formula is T into R plus S minus T by S into T into R. So the total time taken is 6 into rate per hour is 2 plus 8 minus 6 divided by 8 into 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12 plus 8 minus 6 is 2 divided by 8 into 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 plus 2 ones it is 2 8s, that is 1 by 4 into 12. So 12 plus 1 by 4 into 12 is nothing but 12 by 4. It is the total earnings is 15 rupees. This is how to calculate the wages under Rowan plan. Similarly, we can see one more problem here given, that is from the following calculate the earnings of Jai Kumar and Saji. Here the two workers wages has to be calculated both according to the time rate Halsey and the Rowan plan. For both the workers, so here the standard time is 10 hours. The time taken by Jai Kumar is 9 hours and the standard time is 8 hours and rate per hour is 1. And according to time rate system, the total earnings is nothing but number of hours worked into rate per hour. So first we'll calculate the Jai Kumar's earning, that is 9 hours he worked and rate per hour is 1. So the wages for the Jai Kumar is 9 rupees. Similarly for Saji it is 8 hours into 1, it becomes 8 rupees. Then according to Halsey plan, what is the rate, what is the wages for Jai Kumar? It is T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. So the total hours worked, time taken is 9 hours, rate per hour is 1 plus 50% of standard time given is 10 minus 9 into 1. So we got according to the Halsey plan of Jai Kumar, he is getting 9 rupee 50 paisa. Then Saji also, time taken is 8 into 1 plus 50% of 10 standard time is 10 minus 8 into 1. So we got the wages earned by Mr. Saji, that is 9 rupees according to the Halsey plan. Then according to the Rowan plan, what are the wages has to be applied according to the formula, that is time taken into rate per hour plus standard time minus time taken divided by standard time into T into R. So Jai Kumar is time taken is 9 hours into rate per hour is 1 rupee per hour plus standard time is 10 minus time taken is 9 divided by standard time 10 into time taken is 9 into 1. Therefore according to Rowan plan, the Saji is earning 9 rupee 90 paisa and Saji is earning 9 rupee 60 paisa. So this is how to calculate the time rate, piece rate, Halsey plan as well as the Rowan